Hi, I'm an AI interviewer with Mr. Handyman. Thanks for applying to our home repair professional role. Throughout this interview, you're welcome to turn off your camera at any time. You can also ask me to repeat or clarify questions, or even ask your own questions about this role in our company. Are you ready to begin?
Yeah, let's get started.
This role requires a mix of carpentry, drywall, plumbing, and electrical work. Can you share an example of a project where you had to use multiple skills to get the job done?
Sure. Recently, I was helping a customer with a leak that they had in their faucet, and it required me to take on some drywall work, some plumbing work, as well as electrical. And the customer really appreciated that I could do all these things, and so they were really, really happy and satisfied.
When working in someone's home, how do you set expectations and make sure the customer is satisfied with both the process and the results?
Yeah, when I'm working with a customer, I try to start out at the beginning and lay out a project plan and the different target deadlines that we're going to be hitting during the project. And then at the end, I review all the results of the project and all the work that got done with them.
This position requires working independently while still representing Mr. Handyman. How do you stay organized and accountable when you're on your own at a job site?
Yeah, I make a plan before each day on the work that I want to accomplish and keep a checklist of all the tools and everything that I need to bring to the job site. And that makes sure that I really have a great day every day and am accomplishing a lot of work.
That sounds like a great approach. Well, thank you for sharing your experiences and insights with me today. Do you have any questions for me about this role or our company?
Yeah, what would you say the culture of Mr. Handyman is like, and what does someone successful there look like?
We really value a culture of exceptional service, quality work, and taking care of our customers through what we call the done right promise. Someone successful here is a highly skilled craftsman who can do it all while taking excellent care of our customers. They need to be self managing, provide excellent customer service, and be able to document their work while following our process. They also need to be able to work independently, be insurable for driving our vehicle, and be able to lift 50 pounds independently. In terms of specific traits, I would say that rock stars in our organization are people who are aligned with our vision, meet our expectations, and are able to deliver a great experience that wows our customers. They're also able to self manage, speak with customers, and provide excellent customer service while asking for reviews and collecting payments. Does that give you a sense of what we're looking for?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. And how much would this job pay per hour?
The pay range for this position is $30 to $40 per hour, and it's dependent on your experience as a professional handyman as well as your experience with other home repair and maintenance projects.
Great, thanks. Well, that answers my questions. I'm really excited about the job.
I'm glad to hear that you're excited about the job. Is there anything else you'd like to know or discuss before we wrap up this conversation?
Nope, that's it.
Well, thank you again for chatting with me today. I'll be in touch soon to let you know the next steps. Have a great day.